Watch the video. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. Abhorrence. Noun. A feeling of strong hatred, especially for moral reasons. Abhorrent. Adjective. Causing hatred or dislike, especially for moral reasons. Not agreeable. Example sentences. A nation abhorrent to their philosophy. He considers it abhorrent the way she keeps her dogs penned up all the time. Many people find cruelty toward animals abhorrent. Racism is abhorrent to civilized society. Acts abhorrent to every right-minded person. Abhorrible. Adjective. Something is extremely repugnant or loathsome.